And our first new sound starts with the beginning sound you hear in duck. Duck. Do you hear that? Duck. Very good. Let's write that. This is what it looks like. Duh. Let's practice. Duh. Very good. Duh. So this is the duh sound you hear in the beginning of duck. Now, if you remember, we learned before our B sound. B. And if you want to compare, because you're going to be seeing both of these sounds, this is our duh, like we hear in duck. And see, this ball comes first, and then the stick. Duh. Now in our B, like book, the stick comes first, and then the ball. So when the ball is first, and then the stick, it's going to be our duh, like in duck. Duh. Very good. Let's go to our next sound. This is a picture of a gate. Gate. Do you hear that first sound? Gate. Gate. Good job. This is how we draw the G sound. G. G for gate. Gate. This is a picture. That first sound. G. Let's practice. G. 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 Very good. That's our G sound for gate. Let's go to our next sound is jam. Jam or jack, like you see in the Jack of Hearts in this card game. Or jam, you can eat. J. You hear that J sound? Okay, this is what this J sound looks like. J. Let's practice. J. 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 Very good. So J, like you hear in jam or jack. Good job. Our next sound is the first sound you hear in zipper. Do you hear that? Zipper. Very good, the Z sound. And this is how we draw the Z. It almost looks like a zipper, doesn't it? Almost looks like it. Z for zipper. Very good. Let's practice. Z. 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 Very good. Sounds like a bee buzzing too. Buzz. This is the Z, like you hear in zipper. Very good. Our next sound is the first sound you hear in egg or eggs. Egg. Let's write. This is how this sound looks. Like you hear in egg. Let's practice our Very good. The sound like you hear in egg. Very good. This is the sound. That we hear in egg. Let's review the vowels we learned so far, the vowel sounds. Can you say them with me? Now we want to make these different. Each one sounds a little different. Like an apple. Egg, like an egg. Like an igloo. Like an octopus. Now each of these vowels will change the word. So you want to make sure you get your vowel sound right because you'll change the word you're reading with if you say the wrong vowel sound. Okay, let's practice making some word families with the vowels we've learned so far. You ready? Let's start with this one. Can you sound that out? Add. Very good, add. And we can make some words with add. How about, can you read this one? Add. Red. Very good. How about this one? Add. Zad. Good reading. How about this one? Can you read that? Add. Mad. And how about, can you sound that out? Add. Tad. Very good. These are some words we can make with the add word family. How about this word family? Can you sound that? At. Good job. Let's try some words with at. How about, what's that sound? Duh. Very good, because the vowels first, then the line. Duh. At. Dat. Good reading. How about this one? At. Get. Very good. How about this one? At. Bat. Very good. Good reading. See the difference here? D and B. Very good. How about this one? At. Nat. Good reading. Let's try a new word family. How about this one? App. Let's write some word family words with this one. How about, and we have app, dap. How about this one? App, bap. So we have dap, bap. And how about this one? App, pap. So we have dap, bap, pap. You hear how they all sound a little different? Good reading. How about this one? App, map. Let's do one more. And we have tap. Good reading. Let's try this word family. L. You can make a lot of words with L. How about bell? B-L, bell. Good. How about this one? D-L, dal. Good reading. How about this one? P-L, pal. Very good. Now how about fell. Good reading. Fell. How about this one? We have sell. And let's do one more. And we have tell. Very good. Now let's try this word family. Can you read that? Ing. Let's make some words with ing. How about, can you read that one? Bing. Very good. How about ing, ding. Good job. How about this one? Ing, ping. Good reading. How about this one? Ing, ring. Ing, king. Ing, wing. Sing, sing. We did that one. Let's try this one. Ing, ting. Good reading. Now let's try a new word family. How about this one? Est, est, est. So let's try a word. How about this? Best. Very good. How about this one? Pest. Good job. How about this one? Rest. Rest. And, let's try this one. Test. Test. Very good. Good reading. We have one more word family to practice. Ag. Ag. Let's try ag, bag. How about ag, dag. And let's do our p sound. And we have ag, pag. How about this one? This is a real word. Rag. Good reading. And we could do this one, ag, mag, and ag, tag. Very good. Good reading. Okay, now let's read some word families together. You ready? Add, bed, red, lead. Good reading. At, get, bat, pat, and jet. L, fell, bell, tell, dell. Ing, king, bing, ding, ping, wing. Very good. Good reading. Do you hear the difference? B, bing, d, ding, p, ping. Very good. Good reading. Est, best, rest, pest, ag, bag, rag, tag, sag. Very good. Good reading.